Hey traders, in this video we will look on how to use multiple time frame analysis for effective trading. So multiple time frame analysis just goes from top to bottom time frame. So from the top, we will look first on the weekly, then daily, then 4 hours. And if you're a trader or scalper, you can enter either 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So this is how I usually go into my multi time frame analysis. So first I will go to the daily, then just look for some support and resistance levels that I would like to see. So I'll just plot some zones right around here where I can see some of the resistance levels. So it resists here, and it actually became a I think resistance here as well. So after that I will change it to red, so I can say that when I go into the lower time frame that this is the daily zone. So once again I will just put another one right around here. So why did I put right around here? There's support level here, previous resistance here and there. So I'll go to the lower time frame for the 4 hours, then I'll just do the same again, but this time I'll change the color. So as I can see right around here, so why did I put this? So there's a support level here, resistance level over here. So I'll do again a change in color, so this will be an orange. After that, if I can see anything, I'll just go to the lower time frame, but this one I saw another one, so there you go. Then 1 hour, if I just saw that the price already retraced on my zone level, then I'll just leave it there. And based on the zone levels, if I do see that the price is retracing, I might take a position and might have a bias on one direction, and so on and so forth. So that's how you do multiple time frame analysis. You just have to go from the higher time frame, then go to the lower time frame where you will enter. So this is how you put zones and how to do multiple time frame analysis, and I'll see you in the next video.